Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create stunning text with fire effect in the CapCut Mobile. So first, you just need to prepare a background or your videos first, and after that, just head to text, click on text, then click on the text template. Then in here, just swipe through the category on the text template until you find this spark category. Click on spark. Okay, so as you guys can see here, there are lots of fire text effect that you can use for your videos. So just choose which one that you think fits your your video or your needs the best. So I'm going to try use this. I think this one. Click on the text template. Okay, now just double click on the text to change it. Here I'm going to just write Thomas. Okay, click on a check icon and adjust the length or duration. So this will be the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.